And when radio first started, this old feller, um, you'd have a little kit you could assemble, and there were people who just did this at home, little experimentors, and there was no commercial radio yet. You could just listen to people that were doing some broadcasting, and really like a ham radio operator would today. In a way, there are these people who are ham radio operators. These almost have an antenna in their backyard and can pick up radio signals with the antenna from all over the world, different languages, and can broadcast things. And maybe these will be the people that we'll turn to, when the big one happens, whatever the big one may be. Anyway, more of that later. So there's a crystal radio set. That's a thing that you could build for yourself. Little headphones. Look at the headphones, folks. Look familiar? So what I'm going to do now is play what's supposedly the first radio broadcast in the U.S., Christmas Eve, 1906. So we're going to stop this after just a minute and a half and play the recording.